Hello everyone. If you're facing this error on Roblox error code 280, your version of Roblox may be out of date, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix error code 280 on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write percentage temp percentage and you're going to put in /Roblox, and then you're just going to delete all of these folders. And after that, you're going to open up run again. You're going to write app data now. You're going to go into local. You're going to find Roblox on here. And then you're just going to delete the folder that will say something like cache. So you're just going to delete the cache folder. And after that, you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write add or remove. You're going to search for Roblox on here. And you're just going to uninstall Roblox Player and Roblox Studio from here. And once it's done uninstalling, you'll open your web browser up, go on to Roblox. You're going to go ahead and click play on any game right now. And then you'll see that you won't get that error code 280 on Roblox anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.